Hello everyone, and welcome to Just the Chat. This is Volatility 75 Index, and I'm here to give you updates on the weekly what you should be expecting from next week from Volatility 75 Index. As you can see here, we are currently on a buy. As I told you guys, this buy is going to continue, but there was a fake out here. We received a fake out from this point. I told you that this was the buy. This was a buy channel, but there was some fake outs here. Here is the fake out. It broke the channel downward, but then it rested at a trend line, our daily trend line here. Then it shoots upward massively. Most persons were saying that this sale was going to continue. The reason for this sale was to take out all buyers. That is just the pure reason for this sale, and it took out all our buyers. Though we were expecting at least 90% returns from this trade, but we just went out with 40% as at last week. It took us out of our sell of our buy position, but we are in again. We went into this at our signal group as at yesterday, and we are in some profits now. Though we are expecting more, we are hoping for more. So I'm here to tell you what you should expect from this, from 75 index next. As you can see here, it has broken out the channel upward. So let's go to the one chart. This is our daily chart. As you can see, this is the daily chart here. It hit the daily trend line by taking out all buyers by going below the neckline. So most persons were saying, okay, a retest here that they are going to go into a sell. A lot of persons were very tangled here. They were tangled. Most persons are still on a sell now. Their account is currently bleeding. Most persons do ask me, why do you always buy 75 index? Because 75 index is what? Is a correlated index. What do I mean by a correlated index? 75 index is being created, or it is being programmed to continue going up. It is a continuous upward index. Unlike other index, there are different type of index which you should know about. But I'm just trying to tell you that 75 index is a correlated upward ascending index. That means it is created to keep moving upward. It is being programmed. It is being set to keep moving upward. So that's the question answered for those who keep asking me why do I like buying 75 index. And here you can see the reason already. Okay. Though we do sell 75 index at some good points, but for now the trend is fully bullish. The trend is bullish since we started buying. Though it took us out, there was some fake out, and then it took us out of the buy with 40% profit. Let's check the week one chart. Here's the week one. As you can see, the rejection was very strong. It break below this bullish trend, this bullish candles here. Most persons were thinking it's going to continue selling, but here you can see a very strong hammer here. At the close of today candle, you should be expecting take a new high from very few days from now, or very few weeks from now. You should be expecting a new high, a very new high. We're expecting a new high from 75 index with this kind of momentum. But though we only predict the market, we are not the market, so we are in this trade we're having two take profits. As you can see already, we are having two take profits. One is at the last high, while the second one is at the old high, and that's we are expecting a new high from 25 index very soon. And this is our four chart. As you can see, our four, it has broken our moving average already. A very good reason for this buy to continue. Our moving average has been broken already. This is one very powerful moving average. So how should you go into this trade next? Check this out. Expect a retest from this point. Should we expect a retest of here? 75 index, expect a retest. Don't go into a buy now. For if you want to be very profitable on this, wait for a retest of at least this point. If you have a low account, wait for a retest of this point. For it to retest this breakout, then expect a fly up. Although 75 index is one kind of is a crazy index, it can display anything. It can continue moving up or without even retesting here. Though I'm going to give you more updates as we see some momentum. So you should wait for this. There's also a support here. Let me show you that. We're having a support here. Here is one support. As you can see, this is another support. You can wait for this support here. This support at 423, 482. That's another very strong support. or you should wait for a support of this, but this is a very least support at this time now. If this support should be strong is when this price has broken above here. So but for now, waiting for a support at this point would be very great idea to go into a buy. This trend is very bullish, but if you're having a good account, you can go into a buy now. From now, I'm telling you, this trend is very bullish. So more of this will be coming in very soon. As I told you, as you can see, our channel has been broken upward already, creating a very bullish trend for us. So this trade currently, this is a very high reward ratio trade. We are expecting a massive continuous buy, and our signal group will be dropped on this the description of this video of our next video. So I would advise you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share and like. Remain blessed for now. More signals will be coming in. So this is just the weekly analysis. So next week should be expecting something. If this candle closes like this, we expect it to close bullishly. If it closes like this, should be expecting next week candle to continue upward to this point here, to this point. At the end of next week, we should be having next candle should be up here. So the next week candle we should expect some retracement, then a continuous upward movement. So this is what you should be expecting from next week. So remain blessed for now. So you can see the day one chart is very bullish. So don't go into a sell. If you want to go into a sell, it should be for some retracement. So remain blessed for now. Don't forget to subscribe.